Hi, it's Ashik here. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this lesson, I'll show you how to prepare a statement of financial position. In my previous video, I showed you how to prepare capital account for partners. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so before we start doing this statement of financial position, you please make sure that you watched the previous video, okay? Otherwise, you will not understand. I'll link to that video here in the I button. You can watch it, okay? So here, look at the question. Already, statement of financial position is given, okay? Okay, it is prepared. So what was the question here? This is a sole trader business, but later on one more partner is taken and business is converted to the partnership business. Okay, look at the statement of financial position. Just we will follow that one and we will update where it is required. Okay, so here we have detail column and only $1 column, okay, because we don't have so many items to calculate here. Okay, so one column is very good enough. Okay, then here we write the statement of financial position. Okay, so what item we write here? What is the first section in this account? It is non-current asset. Yeah, so look at the questions. What are non-current assets given here? First one is motor vehicle. So let us write here motor vehicle. V-E-H-I-C-L. Okay. So motor vehicle is here 100,000. So it has no change. Same value will be here 100,000. Okay. Then what is next? Equipment. So let us write here equipment. I-P-M-E-N-T. Okay. What is the value? $80,000. So remember the adjustment. Last one that $325,000 the new equipment, and the new partner Jen brought this one. Okay. So this is the value of equipment. This equipment is newly introduced. Okay, so we have to add this equipment value with the previous one. Okay, so if we add, it is $405,000. Okay, great. What we have next are fixtures and fittings. So right here, fixtures and fittings. Great. What is value here? $172,000. So this value has no change. So write as it is. Great. Next, what? Current asset. Yeah. So we can add this one. It is $677,000. Okay. Now we write here current assets. Okay, good. So what is the first current asset? Inventory. So let us write inventory. What is value given in the Kim's statement of financial position? Here it is $105,000. So, and we will add more, yeah, because new partner Jane brought more inventory. So what is the value here? $26,000. Adjustment number 4. So right here $26,000 and you add. Okay, so what is answer here? $131,000. Then what we have here? One more current asset, which is trade receivable. Yeah, so right here trade receivable. Okay, value is given in the question, $343,000. So this value has no change, 343. Okay, so there is one more current asset. Remember which one? Look at adjustment number 4. Chen agreed to pay a check of $160,000. So that means check has brought $160,000. So this is a current asset. So let us write here bank, $160,000. Okay. So now what is the present balance, current balance of bank here in the statement of financial position? It is $16,000 and it is a overdraft. Okay. So let us subtract this overdraft from this bank balance. Then if we subtract the overdraft, the current bank balance will be $144,000. Okay. So this is all about assets. So now if we add this all assets here, what is your answer here? So this is the value of asset right now this partnership business has after taking Chen as a partner in the business. Okay. So let us see what is the situation of the liability. So first of all we need to write here capital and liabilities here. So opening capital is given. So right here capital and liabilities. Capital and liabilities. Okay. So let us write here opening capital. Opening capital. So now we have here two partners. Yeah. First one is Kim, then Chen. So look at the capital account here. So Kim has now capital which is $640,000. Okay. And Chen has capital right now which is $463,000. So right here $463,000. Okay. So here we have profit for the year. There's no profit for the year. Just we started business and drawings. There is no drawings here. And then what will be the next? The current liability. Yeah, we have here current liability. So right current liability. Okay. What is current liabilities here in the business? Trade payables. Yeah, $192,000. Yes, it is a liability. So right here trade payables $192,000. Okay. 192. Very good. Next we have here bank overdraft. Already we subtracted bank overdraft here from the new bank balance. Okay. So now what to do? We need to add this all. Yeah. So if we calculate, it will be same $295,000. Okay. So here the capital and liability are equal to assets. Okay. That means this balance sheet is balanced. So this is how you need to prepare the partnership balance sheet when new partner is taken in the business. So I hope you understood and you enjoyed this lesson, and next time you'll be able to prepare this statement of financial position for partnership account. And for more new videos, please subscribe my channel and you share this lesson with your friends. They will be also benefited. And I'll see you soon with new videos. You stay safe. Bye bye and take care.